Hi, my name is Frank Valencic and welcome to Advantage Property Market Update. Well, it's been a busy time in Melbourne. There's been a lot of Super Saturdays with around 1,000 auctions, and Melbourne's property market is flying at the moment. The clearance rates have been over 80%, and we've seen some runaway results across the board. There's been 3 sales recently where properties have sold for over $1 million above reserve. One recently in Aspendale where a beachfront property sold for over $4.5 million. We've seen other big sales, busy location, a property in Park Street, South Melbourne with a reserve of 1.7 sold for over $2.7 million. So we're seeing this strong demand from lots of buyers out there, very, very keen to get into the market. There's a lot of confidence in the marketplace now, and this is really driving the market. The low stock levels, low interest rates, and I think just that pent-up demand after the lockdown is really pushing this market along. Well, what about the block property recently as well? There was a property in the Glass House which Darren D. Jolly sold and struggled selling 5 years ago for $1,380,000. That just sold for $2.2 million as well. So just showing how strong this market is going, and the growth is phenomenal. We bought a townhouse in Aileen Avenue, Caulfield South, for a downsizing client recently for $2,630,000, a crowd of over 100. We're up against at least 6 bidders on the day, and the unit next door, which was identical 2 years ago, sold for $1,750,000. So that's an $890,000 increase in that period of time. And what else is happening in the market is there are investors coming back, and they're starting to get off the fence, and that's what happens when the market starts improving. A block of units highlighted that in Orange Grove, Balaclava. We got offered that a year ago for $3.5 million for our syndicate of investors. We didn't have enough investors on board because of COVID. That property just sold for over $4.4 million with 8 investors jumping at the auction to try and get their piece of Balaclava real estate. So the market's strong, I can see continuing for quite a while, and now we're getting the classic FOMO, fear of missing out phenomenon at auctions, where people are missing out and then going hard at the next auctions. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out information about our Buyers Advocate, Sellers Advocate, Property Management, and our group block purchases, and you can also subscribe to our free weekly and monthly market updates. We'll see you next time.